There we go. There we go. All right. We got our first fish. Oh, going into the bank. Don't do that. Come here, buddy. What do we got? Little rainbow. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. Just a little guy. Pretty fish, though. There you go. First fish. See you, dude. Ejected it ready. There we go. Oh, oh, turn on it. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hi there, officer. Good, yourself?
Yeah, getting any?
I've got a couple.
Yeah. Trout or just these sunfish?
Trout.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a license?
Yes, sir. Let me bring this in real quick. I'm actually going over to the river, but I saw so many right here. I was like,
Yeah.
I've got my stuff ready to go. It's like, yeah, might as well just catch a few real quick.
Yeah, yeah.
There you go.
You been fishing the river much?
This is my first time. I moved here from Washington. So I've only fished the Gunnison so far and did pretty well out there, but yeah. Yeah, have a good one.